Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to post on LinkedIn. Friends, posting on LinkedIn is pretty simple. You need to open the LinkedIn app. Now here in the bottom you will find post. Press on it. Now you can write your post over here. You can also add image by pressing on this plus icon. I will share my post. Now after creating your post, you need to press on this post icon to post this on LinkedIn. Now I have received a confirmation, and to view my post I simply need to press on view post. Now my post will look like this on LinkedIn. So friends, like this you can very easily create post on LinkedIn. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.